I'm going to show you how do we make sure we don't end up paying a lot of money for additional marketing contacts that we are not going to use. HubSpot has two types of contacts in your database. So you have your marketing contacts and you have non-marketing contacts. Marketing contacts are the people who you will send marketing communications like any kind of ad audiences or marketing emails. And non-marketing contacts are the folks that are in your database that your sales team might contact, maybe not, but they don't necessarily have to receive any of your marketing contact, because this can eat up a lot of your money if you are not careful about it, and HubSpot will automatically upgrade your tier. So here's how we manage it, and I'm going to show you the historical trends and a couple of things. So here I'm sharing my screen and you can see it's 1 year worth of data, and then you can see we started with 5,700 something marketing contacts and we are around double of that, but still we haven't hit our marketing contacts tier limit. As soon as we will hit that, in the next billing cycle we will have to be we'll be forced to pay for those many contacts. So in order to do that, have an automation as your friend and let it take care of marking people as non-marketing contacts. So we have a couple of triggers. Ensure this is the contact based workflow and email heartbound reason is known, or unsubscribe from all emails equals to true, so they don't want to hear from you, or they have been bounced, so that's a wrong email. Opted out of email marketing information, so they have explicitly said we don't want any marketing email from you guys. They haven't opened any single email since last 6 months. You can adjust this date maybe for a year or less or more as you see fit. They haven't clicked on any of your marketing emails, so no engagement at all. This is a unique one. Their lead status is unqualified. So for example, I'm making this one up, but in our case, for example, there are certain kind of contacts entering our database that are totally not good for our use case. They are a bad fit for our business, so basically they are unqualified, so we don't ever need to send any of the marketing communications to them, because this is in demo portal, so we don't have that action here. But in the actual account you will see this action. It's called set marketing contact status, and you can either set them to marketing or non-marketing. In our case, we are setting them to non-marketing via this automation. That's pretty much it. Start with these best practices and tailor it to your needs and see whatever fits for you. And if you have unique criteria that will mark people non-marketing and you end up marking those people manually, just make sure you capture those and let the automation handle it for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.